Hi there, students. To cackle, a verb. A cackle, a countable noun. And I think you could also have cackling as an uncountable noun. So to cackle means to laugh, particularly an evil laugh. So a witch, when she's just cast an evil spell, she begins to cackle. That's the idea of a cackle anyway. So evil laughter. I could hear the witches cackling in the background. This makes me think of the three witches of Macbeth, and they're making their magic potion and they're cackling at the same time. Okay, so to cackle. Now, you can also use this word with chickens. You know when a chicken lays an egg? Maybe you do, maybe you don't, but very often, immediately afterwards, they go, "Bwah, bwah, 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 bwah." That is also to cackle. Okay, so the hen started cackling after she had laid her egg. Okay, so to cackle, a laugh, a loud, high laugh. A group of kids cackling in the corner about the trick they had played on the teacher. A cackling witch. Okay, so to cackle. I think you can also probably use this word to talk to mean to chatter, to talk about something a lot. So there were the three friends were cackling with each other in the corner. Notice we have a nice idiom with this, an informal one. Cut the cackle. Stop talking. This is the sort of phrase that a teacher uses. Hey, cut the cackle over there. Stop talking. Stop talking amongst yourselves. Yeah, to cut the cackle. I think maybe the teacher's implying you're sounding like a group of hens. Yeah, or maybe a coven of witches or something like this. While we're at it, the word cackle is also the word for a group of hyenas, a cackle of hyenas. That's just a piece of trivia. Okay, so to cackle, to a laugh, a particular sharp, evil laugh. Yeah, it's like with a broken sound, but the witch was cackling evilly. Yeah, they were prattling, they were talking, they were gossiping, they were cackling all afternoon. You could use it like that as well. And then you've got your hen cackling. Is your cackle as well. And then we've got this phrase, cut the cackle. Yeah, stop talking. Yeah, stop talking aimlessly, come to the point. Yeah, or just stop chatting. Yeah, I think a cackle, it's like a rather raucous sound, it's a hoarse sound. Okay, so to cackle. Yeah, the Shakespeare's witches cackling over their evil deeds. Yeah, they were cackling about it. He cackled with pleasure at the thought of the problems that he'd caused his enemy. Yeah, he let out a brief cackle. Yeah, so there's too much cackling in this class and not enough study. Yeah, get back to what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, so now what about origin and formality? To cackle. The witch was cackling. I'm going to give it 4.5 or 5. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. But this phrase, cut the cackle, this is informal. 3.5 in formality. And then as to origin, there we have an Old English word, Cackling, which is probably imitative. Yeah. And we've got a German word, a Low German word, kakein, meaning to cackle, and Dutch kakellen, to cackle as well. So clearly it's of some sort of Germanic origin. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Cackle.